Hey, babe?
Yes?
Can you come help me with something?
Yeah, what do you need?
This is the way.
No, this is the way.
Yes, this is the way. But now let's get into the build. Then we'll figure out who's gonna win it.
Oh, that's so smooth. I don't know if you can see how smooth it is.
Okay, here we go. Check it out. We have the final product. I'm also going to include some little, a little screw hook here in case you want to turn this into a key holder. Back to the all-important question, how do you guys win it? Well, with how things have been going with the last one, the coffee table video, which if you don't know, I'm giving away a coffee table. I'll have a link to that down below as well. You guys are doing a great job at pushing this stuff out there. So subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment. Let me know what you want. Let's see. Okay, here we go. What'd you guys think of that little skit we did at the beginning? That was fun. I had a good time with that. This is what goes through my mind. Go ahead and share this on a social media platform. Tag me in it. I have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Patreon, my website. They're all at The Wood Veteran, one word. If you're going to give me a share, which is part of this thing, take that extra step to tag me in it. I'd greatly appreciate that. Come back and let me know that you got it done. If it looks like there's going to be a large turnout for the coffee table, we'll do this at the same time just so that we can get kind of everyone all in one place. And here's another thing. Hit that notification bell. I know all channels ask you to hit the notification bell, but what you're getting from my channel is stuff that's being given away. And if you're not there when it happens, you're going to miss out. And I don't want you to miss out. Please? Like, subscribe, Hit that notification bell, ding ding. God, my brain doesn't work. Share it on a social media platform. Attach me to it. Oh man, this is work. And let me know that you're done, and we'll go from there. So April 3rd, April 4th. All links to everything I talk about, all of my videos, all of my social media accounts, they'll be down in the description below. So thanks for joining me, and best of luck. See you on the next one.